According to new report, Osmo Action 6 is set to arrive in October after months of rumor. With the action camera's design already known, new rumors offers insight about its availability and prospective pricing. DJI was preparing for a triple November release. Emerging earlier this month, the rumor claimed that DJI is finally getting around to releasing the Osmo Mobile 8, Osmo Mobile 8P, the Mic 3 Pro, and Neo 2 after two of the three emerges after a few months earlier on the FCC in the US. New reports suggest none of these will be DJI's next consumer release. The company is said to be turning the DJI Osmo Action series with the Osmo Action 6, having introduced the Osmo 360 and Osmo Nano earlier this year. While those represent a new form factor for the DJI, the Osmo Action 6 should make it return to the conventional action camera with a rectangular body dominated by a single camera and with a display at both the front and back. FCC published images months ago showcasing it from multiple angles. Multiple sources confirmed it's lining up for the October 24th launch. We can expect DJI to release a teaser by October 17th at the latest. DJI Osmo Action 6 will feature a 1-inch type camera sensor and 1950 mAh battery, and the package would cost $329 in the US.